Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative. So recently my sister and we just finished hosting Virtual Blythe Retreat 2026. Theme was all about dancing, dance like no one's watching. And we are currently looking over the survey questions. Now we've had a couple of people ask the question, how do I find past Virtual Blythe Retreat workshops? Well, today I'm going to answer that question. So I actually have two YouTube channels. I have this one called Jewelry Making with Tappingflamingo, and it is strictly all about jewelry making. Then I have a second channel called Be Creative with Terry Jeanette. It's all about a creative lifestyle. And then my sister has her channel called Peace Craft Dolls with Tammy Pally. Her workshops will be on here. And those are mostly like sewing, crocheting, things like that. So any of the videos that Tammy and I did together talking about the Virtual Blythe Retreat will also be on her channel. There are several ways to find videos on YouTube channels. The first one I'm going to show you is you can go down to playlist right here. Boom. And you can click on that. And then all my playlists will come up. Now I do have, like, this is the Virtual Blythe Retreat taster we did, all about Mardi Gras. You don't want that one. You want to scroll down until you find, here goes, Virtual Blythe Retreat VBR. And then hit View Full Playlist. And this is where you'll see anything to do with Virtual Blythe Retreat. Now this is for anything that's 2025 or before. Or like this one right here is just a photo shoot that I did with the dolls for this year. But none of the workshops from 2026 will be on this playlist for a while. We like to keep those off for, 6 months to a year. But they will be eventually here. These are all from past VBRs. And let me see. Let's see, let me scroll down. Okay, for instance, this one right here, Pipe Cleaner Puppy Dog, that was from last year. There's a workshop. So I'm going to flip over to my Jewelry Making with Tappingflamingo, and we're going to search a different way. See this little magnifying glass? You can click on that and say I'm looking for, we did mermaids one year, and say I'm looking for a mermaid earrings. So I would just type in mermaid earrings and then hit enter, and everything I have for mermaid earrings is here. Right here, these are the earrings that we made for that. Here, I think this is the one. Let's look.
Blythe Retreat.
Yeah.
That is airing June 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th.
So this right here is a workshop on the earrings we made for the Virtual Blythe Retreat when we did the Under the Sea theme. This particular one was from last year. It's a pair of earrings we made out of some buttons. So again, though, if you just wanted all the Virtual Blythe Retreat information, you just hit the playlist. You find Virtual Blythe Retreat. There you go. Hit View Full Playlist. Because if you hit that particular video that's showing, it's going to take you right to the video. But then you have all the Virtual Blythe Retreats, tasters, all listed there. On this channel, it's just the jewelry. Now something else, I just typed in Virtual Blythe Retreat, and again, a bunch of stuff came up. There's my playlist. But then here's all the other stuff. And this is everything for Virtual Blythe Retreat and the tasters. So I hope that makes sense. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me. You do that down in the comment section below, and I'll try to answer your questions. But when you go over there and you check out some of these videos, these past videos, let me know in the comments what you think. And thanks for joining us. Y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, signing out for now. Bye-bye.